Just pause a minute before you do it.
That's a little bit softer so we can still hear her.
Whoa. We have several videos. Yeah. What is she doing?
Trying to mock?
She did a real high squeal. Oh, you're okay. Can you imagine having these when you're older? I never had videos like this.
You want me to run in or you running in?
That's fine, you can go in. What kind of ice cream would you like for a treat? Or do you want chocolate?
Yeah.
What do you want? Because you did such a good job. What do you want?
You want ice cream or popsicles?
You want ice cream cups?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the orange or vanilla? Or chocolate? You like vanilla cups? You know those cups.
Yeah, that we got before.
It'd be perfect, yeah. Or if you get a mixture, some have chocolate and vanilla. I'm sure they'd get eaten up. Okay, we're done. Bye-bye, peeps.